Everywhere you look, electric vehicles are being called the future. Clean, silent, and good for the planet. But here's a simple question: are they really as eco-friendly as we think? Today, let's break it down step by step. Not opinions, just engineering facts. And we're diving deep into the real environmental impact of electric vehicles. It all starts with the battery, usually a lithium-ion pack. To make one, we need materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. But here's the truth: mining these isn't exactly clean. Mining operations need a lot of energy, water, and land. They often leave behind pollution, especially in places like Chile, Congo, and China. And so even before an EV reaches the showroom, the battery alone might have already caused around 6 to 17 tons of carbon emissions just during manufacturing. Now imagine your EV is fully charged and ready to go. But where did that electricity come from? If you're in a country where most power comes from coal or natural gas, then charging your EV still means burning fossil fuels, just at a power plant instead of in your car. So an EV running here is not emission-free. It's just shifted the emissions to a smokestack far away. So let's compare. A petrol car produces emissions as you drive, but for an EV, most pollution happens during manufacturing and charging, not driving. If you add everything, building the car, making the battery, the electricity it uses, and finally recycling, the EV becomes cleaner only after driving 50,000 to 1 lakh kilometers, depending on how clean your electricity is. In Norway, where most power is hydro, EVs are very clean. But in countries with coal-based power, the benefits come much later. No battery lasts forever. After around 8 to 10 years, an EV battery starts to lose capacity. What happens then? In many places, recycling systems are still not perfect. Old batteries are either dumped or stored. Proper recycling is expensive and still developing. But there's hope. Companies are working on second-life battery reuse, a better recycling, and even solid-state batteries that are more efficient and easier to manage in the future. So what's the final answer? Do EVs really save the environment? Well, yes, they can, but not automatically. It depends on how they're built, how they're powered, and what happens at the end of their life. If we combine electric cars with clean energy, better batteries, and a strong recycling system, then yes, they're a big step forward. But right now, we're still halfway there. So the next time someone says EVs are 100% clean, now you know the full picture. And if you like this deep, honest explanation, consider subscribing to Tech Explorer 31. We'll be back soon with another real-world breakdown. See you in the next one.